Are you mad?
No.
Are you grumpy?
No.
Are you sad?
No.
Are you angry?
No.
What are you?
I don't know.
How are you doing?
Not good.
Oh, why?
I don't know. I'm grouchy.
What do you want?
A chocolate.
You want what?
What chocolate?
Oh, you poor thing.
Don't you want me like I want you, baby? Don't you need me like I need you now? See tomorrow, but tonight go crazy. All you gotta do is just meet me at the Oh my gosh, I just remembered something. I love you. You are nice. You are pretty. You are smart. You are my friend.
How would you describe your mom in one word?
Tired.